Proceedings have just kicked off here in the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein, where a full bench of judges are presiding over today's case. And the state here is defending its decision not to arrest President Omar Al-Bashir when he was in South Africa last year during an AU meeting. Now, to tell us more about this, we are now joined by Justice Department spokesperson Mthunzi Mhaga. Now, sir, we understand that this case has been heard a couple of times now. Why has it been escalated to the Supreme Court of Appeal?
Look, of importance is the fact that it is unprecedented for a government to be ordered by court to effect an arrest on a foreign sitting head of state, and this therefore has both national and international implications on the South African government. And we don't agree with the judgment of the North Gauteng High Court because they are two pieces of legislation. You have the Immunities Act and you have the customary international law, which now are conflicting, and it's important therefore that there should be a determination on whether one trumps the other. And we're of the view that the South African government could therefore not oblige and effect the warrant of arrest because the head of state of Sudan, that is President Al-Bashir, was granted immunity by this government and was attending an AU summit and therefore could not have effectively obliged with that order.
Okay. What kind of outcome are you hoping for?
We are hoping for the court to grant us leave to appeal so that we can proceed to argue the appeal itself, because the indication is that the two will be infused into one so that we don't have to go back and come back for an argument on the merit, that the two issues to be dealt with, leave to appeal as well as the merits of the appeal itself.
Proceedings are still underway here in the court. Let's now head on over to the courtroom.
Section 4, which the court, in the month that it had to give reasons, apparently didn't do particularly carefully, and would have looked at Section 5, and then would have looked at the provision